Welcome to Pass Your Class CLEP Test Prep. Today I'm excited to help you prepare for the Introductory Psychology CLEP exam with some authentic practice questions. For more than 10 years, Pass Your Class has been empowering students to successfully earn college credit through CLEP examinations, and we consistently maintain an outstanding 98% pass rate among students who use our study materials. In our session today, we'll work through challenging psychology questions that cover psychopharmacology, neuropsychology, and sensory anatomy. These fundamental concepts are essential for understanding human behavior and mental processes. Let's get started with our psychological exploration. Valium is which of the following? A. Sedative. B. Narcotic. C. Stimulant. D. Hallucinogen. E. Cannabis. The correct answer is A. Sedative. Valium, whose generic name is diazepam, belongs to a class of medications called benzodiazepines, which are central nervous system depressants or sedatives. Valium works by enhancing the effects of GABA, the brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter, which produces calming and relaxing effects. This medication is commonly prescribed to treat anxiety disorders, muscle spasms, seizures, and sometimes as a pre-anesthetic before medical procedures. Unlike stimulants, which increase alertness and energy, or hallucinogens, which alter perception, sedatives like Valium slow down brain activity and can cause drowsiness, reduced anxiety, and muscle relaxation. Understanding how different psychoactive drugs affect the nervous system is crucial in psychology for comprehending both therapeutic interventions and substance abuse issues. Which area of the brain is related to intelligence? A. Occipital lobe. B. Temporal lobe. C. Frontal lobe. D. Parietal lobe. E. Cerebral cortex. The correct answer is C. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe, particularly the prefrontal cortex, is most closely associated with higher-order cognitive functions that we typically associate with intelligence. This brain region is responsible for executive functions, including working memory, cognitive flexibility, problem-solving, planning, abstract reasoning, and decision-making, all key components of what we measure as intelligence. The frontal lobe also houses areas critical for language production, personality, and impulse control, while the entire cerebral cortex contributes to cognitive abilities. Research using neuroimaging and studies of patients with frontal lobe damage consistently demonstrate that this region is particularly important for the complex thinking skills measured by IQ tests. The frontal lobe is also the last brain region to fully mature, which helps explain why abstract reasoning abilities continue developing into early adulthood. This part of the eye protects and manages its shape. A. Sclera. B. Iris. C. Pupil. D. Cornea. E. Lens. The correct answer is A. Sclera. The sclera is the tough, fibrous outer layer of the eye that serves as the eye's protective coating and maintains its spherical shape. Often called the white of the eye, the sclera is composed of dense connective tissue that provides structural integrity and protects the delicate internal components of the eye from injury. Unlike the cornea, which is the clear front portion that focuses light, or the iris, which controls pupil size, the sclera covers about 80% of the eye's surface and acts like a shell to maintain the eye's form under the pressure of the fluid inside. The sclera also provides attachment points for the 6 extraocular muscles that control eye movement. Understanding eye anatomy is important in psychology because vision is our dominant sense and plays a crucial role in perception, learning, and behavior. Outstanding job working through these Introductory Psychology CLEP practice questions. You've just explored important concepts spanning biological psychology, neuropsychology, and sensation and perception. Keep in mind that these questions represent only a small sample of the extensive psychological knowledge covered on the complete CLEP examination. For thorough preparation encompassing all major psychology areas, including learning and memory, developmental psychology, personality theory, abnormal psychology, social psychology, and research methods, Pass Your Class offers comprehensive study guides loaded with practice questions, psychological principles, and research findings to help you master the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. Visit PassYourClass.com today to access your Introductory Psychology CLEP preparation materials and join our successful student community with that exceptional 98% pass rate. Thanks for diving into psychology with us today, and we're confident you'll achieve excellent results on your CLEP exam.